Hey guys, welcome to the video here. So I have face cam on this time. We have face cam. Face cam. You can stuck on stupid. Oh. We just started again and we're already in this. Today we are going to play. I am very sorry about my phone being in the way of the face cam. Bro. This face cam, bro. Then how can I jump? That was virus. Okay, I figured out how to do this, guys. Okay, I figured out how to do this. You don't gotta tell me what to do. Hey, when I'm my snickers on me. Hey, come on, got score. Hey, I'm out, come on. Hey. Guys, it looks like our house is gonna flood today. I don't trust that red house, just this blue house going by everywhere going. Bro, I can't get up the roof. This man blocking the way. Bro, get up. Bro, come on. Bro, you gotta make it, fam. Fam. Whoa. I'm trying to face cam off. I know I forgot a different way to do that. Yeah, I'm trying to face cam off. Turn it off. Turn it off. There we go. Okay. Let's say something. Hello. Hello. Don't say it. Okay. My boy fam over here wearing sneaky like me. Boy, I actually have those pants. Naturally the real, naturally in my avatar statement. What do you think? John, you a pro at Roblox already? Yes, I am a pro at Roblox. I almost played all the games. No, bro, you're not gonna survive. You have no body. You have no limbs. How? I mean, you know he's Superman, man. You know, man, I'm not flying around. Bro. I look like Nightwing from Batman. That's what I look like. Is lava a war? Is lava a war? Okay. Wait. Okay, Chosen West. I don't know what this place is. I'm gonna put on chat. I'm gonna put on chat soon, guys. So don't distract. But I think I got an idea from this guy. Wait a minute, the cat just moves? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Bro, I had no idea what to do at that time. Yeah, I have to buy you a... Oh, you get 10 each time? Boy, quick. Green balloon is 100. Quick potion. I think I can go for 100. I just gotta get 10 wins. I need 90 more wins. You got stuck on stupid. Listen to me. You see, I got the. First off, you listen to me. So are we at a military? Why is it we in Call of Duty Black Ops 3? If freaking little we in Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Yes, I have played that before. I am not stuck on stupid. It looks like we are on Call of Duty Black Ops. I experienced a death. 911. What's your emergency? I just witnessed a death outside my apartment. Well, fam, you're not gonna survive all that. See? Oh. No award. I got 20 points. Oh, yeah, I need to survive. You follow her. It's now following you. Old school. This is actually a little bit old school. No, not in real life. It's just actually what school used to look like. Because if it is, it looks like pretty much garbage. And plus it's still like we ain't called it Black Ops 3. Okay, I feel we can try this. The place gonna fall, but me and what's your name? Got that little bandana. You know how to rap? I do to my friend. What she say? What she say? What she say? What she say? I made it. That's what makes me cool. Bro, quit doing the whipping and acting. I know I just said don't do the whipping and that, but I have to do it too. Bro, move! I hate these. Back in the day when they had this game, you were able to get a jump coil for about like 30 cents. But these days, what are people saying? One day, hello. Somebody saying, what do I say? I'm not about to read it. Last time I played this, the castle actually fell apart. And it was like leaning, guys. When that happens, you need to jump on beside the castle, walk on the side, and try to survive. Bro, we live in the life. What's up, fam? We can survive 6 more times. Wait a minute, you just survived? Pro gamer? Me and pro gamer. Together. Forever. Man, I'm about to go to the highest building possible. I'm not about to take them chances in that little building. I'm taking big steps. I'm not taking no baby. Bruh. No. Oh, no. The big buildings always fall. If you see, we tilted, boy. Boy, I feel you. We're moving. I got all that stuff you guys on, which I could just put on right now. I don't know. Okay, quit. Hey. Hi. Hi, you have a phone number? Again? Bro, what's some friend requests? Who sent me all these friend requests? Like, people just send me around friend requests, they don't know who I am. Hi. I have so many friends. Do you see? Friends for days. Friends forever. Hi. You know what, boy? I'm done saying hi to you. Last freaking time. Okay, time for the last freaking time before I get to killing you. Hello. Can you just shut the heck up? I'm literally about to die. Hello. Okay? You want me to say hello to you? Hello, punk face. I'm about to get the beat on you. Fam, where you going? Already know where to go. My best friend, my friend over here pushing me. But now friends work. What did he just say? Can I get a little revive on that? Oh yeah, look at the water. I'm not allowed to say, that's what he said. But he spelled it wrong. Oh my god, I fell in the freaking water. I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe. We're gonna do this for a couple more seconds. We're gonna do this for a couple more seconds. I'm gonna do a couple more seconds. I'm gonna do a couple more seconds. Bro. Still going stupid. Where my friend go? Friend, you coming? Yeah, he made it. My boy, he made it. Oh my God, my friend, my ever friend. Where's my... No. Oh, hello. I'm trying to make her my friend. She seems pretty cool to be my friend. Oh, you look pretty cool. Can you get that on Google? Yeah, I had that before. I think I have it. Guys, are you not seeing this? That is sick. Oh my God, bro, we got naked boys. Man, this man over here trying to get all the ladies. I'm trying to get all the ladies by looking good. So the ladies gonna want them. Bro, how do I get there? Oh, what's that leaning? Oh yeah, it leaning. It leaning. Bro. They pushed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and never miss another video.